Light it up, light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up, light it
What's up, Jimmy? How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
We're out here. This is WEKFEST 2019. How you feeling about your car?
I'm feeling good. There's a lot of competition today, but I'm feeling good. Brought my car out. I'm here. That's all that matters. So,
Awesome. Are you hoping to win an award today?
Awards are cool and all, but like I said, I'm just happy that I'm here. And if I win something, then it's just a bonus.
I love that, dude. That's awesome. That's awesome. I remember when I first met you, you had the Civic Si. That was super cool. And now, dude, you have like a legendary, car. So first off, why did you choose this platform?
So back in high school, I always knew I wanted like a rear-wheel drive, like Japanese car, and the 240 was one of them. I saw like a Spirit REI 240 on S13 back then, and I knew that one day I was gonna own one, and I made it happen. So
That's awesome. That's goals. I believe that's everybody's goal, like to have their dream car, and you made it happen, dude. Honestly, it looks amazing. And it took you quite a while, right?
yeah, so this build took me about 4 years. It's still not done, obviously. Still got a lot of things to do, but yeah, I'm 4 years in right now.
That's awesome. Take your time with it and enjoy it, dude. I can tell you already love it. Awesome. So what do you have planned for the future?
So definitely a motor swap. A lot of people ask me about a motor swap. What I'm gonna swap, I don't know, but I guess it'll be a surprise for next year. So we'll see.
Awesome, dude. Awesome. Well, thank you for answering my questions and hanging out with us, and we'll see you next year.
Dope.